Good morning, everyone. So I'm making this video to hopefully help you guys make pretty good mobile videos for your YouTube channel. So you've decided you want to become a YouTuber, but you don't really have all the expensive devices and things you need to make decent videos, right? Like a laptop, an editor, an editing software program, and things like that, right? Well, you could actually make some decent videos straight from your mobile device. You're just gonna need a few things. And again, I'm kind of making this video because I've had a few people ask me how I do it to record on my cell phone and then edit it and all that good stuff. So I'm kind of gonna show you guys what a typical video or how some of my videos are made. The first thing you're gonna need is a A through Z screen recorder. So this app right here is actually very useful, and I'm pretty sure you could get it on iOS as well. So this thing captures your entire screen display, and it also you could live stream with this. So you could live stream what you're doing on your cell phone with this app. It's pretty cool. The only thing that I will kind of let you guys know is that it does capture your entire screen. So whenever you guys are recording, just kind of a tip, make sure you have it on airplane mode or something like that, because any text messages that anybody sends you or any important information that you do not want leaked will come up on your live stream or whatever you're recording at that moment. So just be aware of that. It is kind of dangerous to record your whole cell phone screen if you're scared of that. So like if you go in your gallery and you have pictures that you don't want people to see, yeah, it's kind of dangerous to have your screen recorder recording and streaming at that point. Same with your bank information and things like that. So just be aware of that. Okay, so now the next step is, how the heck do I get music in my videos, right? So I've chosen a few. So here's some free music from YouTube, right? So let's say we have John G. That was kind of loud. Okay, let me see. Let me look for a different one. See, Why We Lose. Mortals. What is this? Maybe I like this one. Let me see. Alright, let's say I like that song, right? And I want it as the ambient background music for my video. So the way you get that song to be the background music to your video is by clicking this share button, right? You click the share button and you click this thing right here that says copy link. So what that did is it just copied the link to your clipboard. So now what you do is you go to your Chrome and you go to this website called derpy.com. So I used to use a website called FLVTO that converts YouTube video into MP3 files, but that one is not working. It hasn't been working recently. This is the second best option in my opinion. But yeah, just be careful when you're downloading things, because I believe if you get music that is not copyrighted or that is copyrighted, technically it's illegal to download that music. So just be careful with that. If you're downloading non-copyrighted music, I'm not a attorney or a paralegal or anything like that, but I think you're more safe than downloading copyrighted music. So yeah, my disclaimer right there is that it might be illegal to do this. So I don't know, just beware. That's my warning to you guys. But yeah, this website is kind of bad because it takes a while. Like, it takes a while to load. I'll leave the full loading and the whole process so you guys could see kind of what you got to bear with as you're doing this. So I've already clicked it. It's like taking its sweet baby Jesus time. Maybe it froze. Let me back up. So you go to Derpy. You paste your URL. There we go. I knew it froze. Okay, so after that you scroll down. You know, here's the video. That's the one I was looking at, right? And it's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. You go to this section that says record audio, and it should have the time set to 350. If you look closer right here, yeah, see, it does. So you just press record audio. This is gonna pop up. Now right here is where you are entitled to get frustrated, because this part takes so long. So just bear with it. It says please be patient. You literally do have to be patient. This is going to take, actually maybe it doesn't take that long. It'll probably take about a minute, but it doesn't really give you anything to look at, so you don't know if it froze or not, and you're just kind of left in the dark waiting for it to finish, and you'll see how it looks when it finishes, so you'll know you did it right. On the bottom of the screen it should say something like your 10 megabytes or megabyte download happened successfully or something like that. So just wait for it. And if you click on this pop-up that happened, it'll redirect you. You see, like that. Do not click on this. This is that's a virus for sure, or a phishing site, so don't click on those. Just wait. Be patient. It pays off. Yeah, so basically the people that were asking me how I would get videos and put background music to them are mostly my... Oh, there it is. It downloaded 8.78 megabytes. But yeah, it was basically my people from Instagram, because I don't really make phone videos on YouTube anymore, but I used to, and this is the process I did. So, okay, now that I have my song... Oh, I should have checked where it went. It doesn't matter, but it comes up over here. You click right there. Oh, look at that. And then you click it, make sure it is what you wanted. Okay, so that's the song I wanted, right? So now let's say here's this video, right? And I'm gonna put the audio. Play video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Hero Wars. Now this video is just like Dragon Soul, but alright, so you guys heard that, right? No background music, no nothing. So this is clearly this is gonna be an example from a Samsung. So if you have a Samsung, this will definitely work for you. I'm pretty sure iOS has an editing software in it as well, probably better than Samsung, I'm not sure. But if you have an Android or a Samsung or anything of that kind, it should be very similar. The process for adding music to the background should be very similar. So down here in the bottom left, you'll have an edit button, or somewhere at the bottom down here you have an edit button. Just click edit. Then down here on the bottom right, for me, it might be different for you, like it might be in a different spot, but just look for this icon. It'll have a music icon. You click on it, and then it says BG music, background music, right? It says none right now, but you click on that little none symbol, right? And you go to my music, and then here it is, Mortals. It's this one, right? All right, that's the song I want. Now, pro tip right here, you do not want it blasting at max, and I'll tell you why. Actually, I'll show you why. So if you guys notice, you cannot hear my voice at all. So pro tip, you kind of want to have this very low, like down here low. Hero Wars. Now, this video is just like Dragon Soul, but it's the art's just a little bit different, but everything's the same from energy. There you go. So if you're happy with that much background music or that low background music, you can put it a little higher if you want. It's up to you. To currency, to everything, the holidays contest. So you see, that's basically it. And once you're done, you basically just save it, and it will save with the background music there. So just adjust the music to a volume that you find that isn't too distracting. Again, you want to always have it on the lower side. Don't put it too high. Don't ever go past half. You won't be able to hear your audio. It also, this process works out a lot better if you have a headset that plugs into your cell phone. Your voice audio will be a lot louder. That's how I used to do it. I don't have one for this video, so if my voice audio is like zoning in and out, that's why. But it's just I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of just get this this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Hero Wars. You see? So yeah, I just wanted to get this video out there so that some of you guys could take advantage of that and start your YouTube careers making mobile videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was helpful. If you guys did find it helpful, make sure to drop a like. If this wasn't helpful or if anything was confusing, please let me know in a comment. And yeah, I will definitely reply to you guys. So that all being said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video or a stream. So peace out, y'all. Have a good one.